This is a door actuator for BMW 750i or something similar. So as you can see, it's like broken right here. Okay, like this part, it should be like this. Okay, and this should hold like right here. Okay, and so I opened it right here. Oh, I actually broke it now, but so this part should be like right here. Okay, should go like inside here, but it broke over time because it got old and plastic cracks over time. So you can actually replace not the whole lock, but you can actually replace the soft close. You can disconnect it right here. Okay, this part. Okay, and disconnect the wire right here as well. Okay, by pressing here, and you can replace the soft close, so it should be cheaper. But if you want to buy like the whole thing, I got mine for about $100, 90 something on eBay. So you have to make your own thread for this. And if you want to know how to do that, I have that in the previous video where I replaced the rear door actuator. Okay, so and as you can see, the lock itself is good, but the soft close is bad. Okay, so this should be like this. You can probably fix this, like make some like metal thing right here and put the metal like right here and right here and make it hold it. Okay, then it will work. Okay, but I don't recommend fixing it because it may break again. So if this video was helpful, please like the video and also subscribe to my channel.